Today we talk about how can you add your website on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on edit profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here, and here you will find the website here, and here add here a link to drive traffic to your site. Just add it here. When you down click on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.